I'm going to review the semester project information. This you'll work on more the second half of the semester. It grows on or it builds on the ethical thinking paper you're going to do. So where we are is we're under lectures. So here's the info on me, level 1, 2, and 3 for each test. I'm going to go into this folder. And the due dates in this stuff are all on the schedule, which again, you should always have with you. Okay, so when we get to, and you'll see on the schedule where it is, when you have to pick an issue. So you're going to pick an issue that we haven't talked about. So you have a list here. Let me open it for a second. So here are the issues that you can do your semester project on, your semester ethical critical thinking paper on, or question answering. So look at these. If there's anything else that you're interested in and that you think you'd want to do, let me know. If it works, I will let you do it, but you just have to get a hold of me and let me know what you're thinking. Okay, so that's your choices. Then what you're going to do by the given deadline on your schedule is you're going to just download this. It's pretty simple. You're going to download this. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And here's your semester project. The topic I would like to do my semester project on is blank, and then you just type in which of the following, or which of the ones from the list that you chose. If it's something different, let me know. Give me a little detail on what you're thinking about, and I will let you know if it will work out or not. Okay, so that's this submit, and then once you fill that out, you'll click on here and you will submit it. You will submit it to this link. Okay, so to make sure that you're on the right track with this, because I don't want you getting off track or not have any idea or no feedback, you're going to do a pre-semester project assignment. So again, you'll download this, and there's a deadline for this also on your schedule. It's going to look like this. Okay. The issues that we're choosing have two sides to them. That'll make more sense if you're listening to this early in the semester. It may not make sense right now, but it will after you get through the ethical thinking paper. So what's your subject that you've chosen? What question? What is the issue or critical thinking issue? What is the question that you are trying to deal with? Discuss one side of the issue. You need to show me that you understand the basics of what one side of the issue is. You need to give me at least a paragraph to show me that you understand it. Then you need to give me a paragraph on the other side of the issue. So this is not an informative paper. It is a critical thinking paper, ethical thinking paper, where you're dealing with an issue in biology that has more than one possible solution. So you need to show me that you know what both sides are, and then you'll list 4 of the references. You'll need 6 for the final paper. Here you need to show me 4. They need to be quality references. You'll have done an exercise on what's a good reference, what's not, so make sure that you are giving me decent references. If you do not hand this in, and if you hand it in late without an excuse, I'm not going to grade it. If you don't hand this in and then you do your paper with no feedback, and that paper is going to be worth 120 points. In the past, it's cost people a lot because they don't have the grasp of what they're doing and they don't have any feedback. So make sure you check the due date on this and make sure that you submit it. Okay, and then here is the semester project paper. It's not really a project, it's not really a paper. These questions are going to be similar to your ethical thinking questions, but there are more of them. So what you're going to do is download this, and then you're going to type your answers in below each question. There are more questions on this than there was on your ethical thinking, so you're going to give me a little more detail. My expectations are going to be higher since you'll have feedback from that ethical thinking paper. On the topic we've chosen, I will expect you to be better at it when you do this, when you go through this. So you'll type your answers under each question. So you're going to use these questions, type your answers underneath them, save it, and then submit it to the site. So when you're done, you'll hit this, and then you'll submit your paper. There is a due date on that. The due date is on, again, the schedule sheet. So this one is not over CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR-Cas9 is the one that you did for the ethical thinking paper. So it's very similar, but not the same. And then again, it just tells you to download it and answer it. But again, this will give you a chance to pick a topic that you would like to cover for that. All right, if you have any questions as we get closer to that, let me know.